Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to uninstall VoiceMeeter driver. Uninstalling VoiceMeeter and its drivers in 2025 is simple with Windows 10 app removal. Start by pressing the Windows key and opening Settings. From there, search for apps and open the list of installed applications. Scroll down until you find VB cable and VoiceMeeter. Begin with VB cable, select it, click on Install, confirm on the pop-up. When prompted, choose Remove Driver, and you'll see a confirmation window letting you know the uninstall was successful. Restart your computer to finalize the process. Until you restart, VB cable may still appear active. Once that's done, repeat the same steps for VoiceMeeter. Located in the apps list, select Uninstall, confirm and restart if necessary. With both removed, your system will be completely free of the VoiceMeeter driver. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.